So hey, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video I will show you how you can save or download current MIUI theme wallpapers. Many users applied themes on their phone. They don't like that theme but they like that wallpapers. So to save that wallpapers you need to download one app. It's called Get Current Wallpaper. It's free app available on Play Store and it don't need root to save wallpapers. So you can download from Google Play Store or go to description. I will put that app download link in the description so you can download from there. See, so guys, it is a very simple app. Just to open that app and you will see this type of simple UI interface. So if you want to save lock screen wallpaper, then select the second option, retrieve lock screen. If you want to save home screen wallpaper, then select the first option, retrieve wallpaper. It will automatically save that wallpapers in your internal storage. Let me show you one demo. I want to save this theme wallpaper, that wallpaper. So after applying that theme, you need to open this app, select retrieve wallpaper, and boom, you saved this wallpaper in your internal storage. Let me show you that folder. Open file manager, go to picture folder, and you will see this folder, Get Current Wallpaper. So as you can see, I have saved this wallpaper on my internal storage. Now you can apply this wallpaper on any theme, or you can share with your friend or copy or download this wallpaper. So like that you can save any MIUI theme wallpapers on your smartphone. I hope this video helps you to save wallpapers from the themes. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe for more. I will see you in the next video.